Hello folks, here we go. The Mountain Bar Vanilla Pacific Northwest Classic Candy Bar. Now these are quite affordable, quite chunky. 50 to 75 cents on average. Mm, Sometimes you find them on sale for two for $1. And pretty hearty. So this is the vanilla version. They make a cherry, chocolate, and all sorts of peanut butter. Get into it. Heavy duty on the chocolate and peanuts. Nice vanilla. These are a good little hearty bar, especially if you just want something nice and sweet at the end of the day. Didn't cost you a fortune. This is right up your alley. Mm-hmm.